Okay, fine. Now some examples. Let's see on the default. Let's say when you haven't assigned any, let's say any variable name for the any operation. Okay, any program. So it is one of the mathematical program we can consider simple. So here, let's say how to use this. Okay, so here I haven't assigned any variable. So I will just put some operation. Let's say okay, 52 divided by 85, and I will just terminate this with semicolon. I will just save this. Okay, so we have the answer, which is this. Okay, now what I want to multiply that with 5. Okay, so value also changed. Okay, so let's say I want to just multiply this with again 5. Okay, I will not change anything. Okay, so the earlier value, which is 3.055, let's say the updated value. Okay, so the first value goes, and the new value which is considered by for the answer. Okay, later on we can, let's say we can use our own number to store the numbers. Okay, so we just saw, still we will see x, which is equals to, let's say 22 square of 22. Okay, and y, which is equals to, let's say 42. Okay, just simply 42. Okay, and just save this and simply run this. Okay, so we can see here x value, which is this, y value, which is this, and default answer, which is the 0.611. So just put here was okay. If you want to clear, let's say command window and the workspace, so just go and see CLC. Okay, and clear all. Okay, so okay, so with this, they are creating variable and assigning value. So let's say x, which is equals to 10.57. So if you want to change, let's say if you earlier updated its value, let's say 10.57. Okay, with the specific variable x, so we can change it. So several thing, let's say use simple MATLAB command. Yeah, let's say a variable x, a type of double is created. A memory location for the x variable is assigned, and the value for corresponding for this x, which is 10.57, is stored in that memory location called x. So let's say x, which equals to 45. Okay, it is saved. Okay, we can replace with the new value also. Okay, I told you, if you refer the new variable with the different value, so we can see here. Okay, now the earlier value, which is x. So let's see, I want to assign value 88. Okay, so it is changed.